today I'm going to be playing Camping 2. Before I start this video, like and subscribe to our channel. You know what to do. But I'm subscribed to my channel. That would be such a nice help. I would like to be, toured around this place. And my phone is a little bit slower than expected right now. But I'm going to go with some action on my phone. Welcome to the cabin. Tonight, half of you will be sleeping here. What if there's a bad guy out there? If you guys want me to play the first camping, or what about camping 2? Oh my god. Like this is Inception. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna put on my headphones for a better fight. Scary as shit. So it can be more scary. I'm just gonna let my phone take us back to the tents. I think we're gonna be sleeping in the tents today, or for this episode. The next, I'm gonna be sleeping in the cabins. I guess so. Aw, you okay, Puggles? He's my little doggy, you cute. Oh. Hey, Daniel, why are you so ugly? I just wanted to jump on your head. I'm going back to my tent. It's getting late. Let's split into our 2 sleeping groups. I will be staying in the group at the cabin. Why is my phone acting slow? Kinda getting on my... I knew I was gonna sleep at the tent. Dang it. I really don't like the tents. Well, might wanna hurry up and, make my run. Yeah. Okay, is this big? Maybe that best one. Oh my god! Stop going slow, Murray! Phone! Stop it! Oh my god, what the heck? Close the door. Oh, this is so scary. I'm so scared. I haven't played this for forever. I had to take something off the back of my phone. It was my case. I think he's gone. Who was that? Yeah, who was it? You got your charger. Puggy, why you so fat? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love my Puggy. My little doggy friend. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, little doggy. Ah! It's a killer. Hey guys, are you okay? I heard some screaming. Were you telling scary stories? No, we were not telling scary stories. No, we were attacked at the tent and ran here. There's someone out there. Don't be silly. I know you're just trying to scare me. We're the only ones here. Not true. Not true at all. I'm just gonna sleep here tonight. Daniel seems to be taking this all very lightly. What if he's is? Let's go find them. Okay. Open the dang door. Who decided to go hiking today? Not me. I hate falling in water. I give overboard to anyone brave enough to complete Pinewood Trail. Okay. I really don't want a s'more. She got a hot dog? Bruh. She must always keep a snack on her. Guys, this is Sydney Blacks. She might be a YouTuber just like me. Hi. Are you a whitey? He's approaching. She is quiet and weird. Why isn't she talking? Oh, Puggy, stop snoring. Hello, my little man. Why do we gotta sleep in the tents again? Stay in the tents. So we don't die. Yeah, slow. Ridiculously slow. What? Daniel, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? You weird, ugly looking killer. You're not the killer, are you? Okay, so when I find the gun, I will kill you. Because I feel like you're the killer. When I get the gun, I don't know if you're the killer. My phone made me reconnect last time. Oh my god, let me... me and Cindy Blocks are the last ones left. Oh my god. They betrayed us. Okay, let's find some firewood. Okay, we gotta watch those papers. Okay, collect wood. I found some wood. Yay. Okay. Ah, watch it. Okay. That might be a bit over there. It's over there. Okay, go around the tree. Go around it. There's traps everywhere. Okay. I got 2 of them. Let's find the last one. Oh, you found it. Okay. Stop. Go slow phone. Yeah, I don't wanna, guys. If you guys want me to finish this, make it 20, make it 10, make it 10 likes, and I will finish this video. Well, hope you guys like this video. See you later. Woohoo!